2004 Big Dog Chopper. Price $8,000. Mileage 8,300 miles. Location Quinlan, Texas. This 2004 Big Dog Chopper is more than just a motorcycle. It's a freshly serviced beast ready to ride with confidence. With only 8,300 miles, it has just undergone a complete overhaul by a certified mechanic, making sure every detail was handled to perfection. From engine oil, primary oil, and transmission service to a new fuel line, ignition coil, spark plugs, and wires, this bike has been tuned and cared for like a champion. The rear brake pads and rotor were replaced with original parts, the drive belt adjusted, and even the annunciator assembly and hand controls rebuilt for smooth, flawless operation. To top it off, a Dyna ignition module was installed and tuned to factory specifications, ensuring it roars to life effortlessly. Custom California Chopper. Price $12,500. Mileage under 100 miles on rebuild. Location Council, Texas. This custom 1970 Harley-Davidson FL Shovelhead Chopper is a timeless slice of California cool with fresh life breathed into it. With less than 100 miles on a complete RLD engine rebuild, this machine has been given a new heartbeat, backed by numerous updated parts across the bike. It delivers a smooth, relaxed ride while keeping that raw shovelhead soul alive, making it a true classic with modern dependability. A couple pieces of chrome could use refreshing, but that only adds to its authentic vintage charm. Bold, powerful, and effortlessly stylish, this chopper is the kind of bike that turns heads at every stoplight and keeps you grinning every mile. Seller is even open to trades. If you've got a dozer, they just might deal. 2003 Bourget Blackjack Ace. Price $4,500. Mileage 2,637 miles. Location Metairie, Louisiana. This 2003 Bourget Blackjack Ace is not your everyday bike. It's a true piece of rolling art with attitude to spare. With only 2,637 miles on it, this machine is practically new, carrying the soul of a custom-built chopper with the reliability of low usage. Its clean white finish contrasts with its aggressive styling, making it stand out anywhere it goes. Powered to deliver raw performance, this chopper embodies the spirit of old-school rebellion mixed with custom craftsmanship. It's being sold as it runs, it roars, and it demands an owner who knows how to respect a bike with this much presence. Deals like this are rare, and this one is guaranteed to draw eyes, turn heads, and own the road. Stop waiting, come see it in person, because bikes like this don't last long. 2006 Arlen Ness Lowliner. Price $2,345,678. Mileage 5,000 miles. Location Jasper, Alabama. The 2006 Arlen Ness Lowliner is a jaw-dropping masterpiece that blends aggressive styling with raw American power. Under the hood sits a massive 2,032 cubic centimeters S&S V-twin motor, delivering thunderous torque and smooth, commanding acceleration that turns every ride into an event. With just over 5,000 original miles, this custom chopper still feels fresh and uncompromised. Finished in sleek black with brand new tires and a fresh belt, it's a perfect combination of performance, reliability, and head-turning aesthetics. Whether cruising the open road or parked at a bike show, this lowliner demands attention and respect, making it a rare collector's dream. 2008 Softail Deluxe. Price, $11,000. Location, Moreland, Georgia. The 2008 Softail Deluxe is a classic blend of style, comfort, and American engineering. Outfitted with 16-inch ape hangers and 52-spoke DNA wheels, this bike doesn't just ride, it makes a statement everywhere it goes. Its rear air ride suspension ensures a smooth, comfortable ride, while the integrated LED headlight offers modern visibility with a sleek design. This Softail Deluxe is mechanically flawless with no leaks or issues, ready to hit the road for effortless cruising. Perfect for riders who want classic Harley looks with a modern, polished edge, it's a true head-turner and a reliable companion for miles of open-road adventures. 2010 Kraft Tech Kit Bike. Price, $9,800. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Stroud, Oklahoma. This 2010 Kraft Tech Kit Bike is a masterfully built custom ride that combines raw power with striking style. Powered by a 127 cubic inch Ultima engine, it delivers a thunderous roar and smooth torque for an exhilarating ride every time. Despite its age, this bike shows remarkably low miles and engine hours, having spent nearly all of its life in careful storage. Finished in vibrant red, the bike turns heads while maintaining classic chopper aesthetics. Whether you're a collector or a thrill seeker, this Kraft Tech Kit Bike offers exceptional performance, attention-grabbing design, and the rare thrill of owning a nearly pristine custom masterpiece. 1977 Shovelhead Custom Motorcycle. Price, $15,000. Location, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1977 Shovelhead Custom motorcycle is a true handcrafted classic, built from front to back with meticulous attention to detail. It features both kick and electric start, a jockey clutch, suicide shift S&S carburetor, and a Carrata magneto, a setup that will make any true chopper enthusiast's heart race. The bike has no turn signals or speedometer, keeping it raw and authentic, with just a rear running light for minimalistic style. A little TLC is needed. The front brakes need bleeding, the battery needs reinstalling, and the fuel tank just needs topping off. But once that's done, this bike is ready to roar. With a clean Arizona title and vintage charm, this Shovelhead stands out as a head-turning collector's dream that perfectly blends old-school flair with rugged personality. 2010 Custom 120 Ultima. Price, $8,500. Mileage, 2,000 miles. Location, Blum, Texas. This 2010 Custom 120 Ultima is a high-performance chopper that blends style, power, and precision. Powered by a massive 120 cubic inch Ultima engine, this beast delivers an exhilarating ride and a throaty growl that demands attention. Its manual transmission ensures full control, while the sleek black finish accentuates its aggressive, head-turning stance. With only 2,000 miles on the odometer, it's practically a modern classic, built for riders who crave both performance and show-stopping looks. Whether you're tearing up open roads or cruising through town, this chopper is ready to impress. 2012 Custom Covington Hardtail. Price, $10,000. Location, Little Rock. Arkansas step into the world of pure custom craftsmanship with this 2012 Covington Hardtail, a chopper built for those who crave individuality and bold style. Outfitted with new tires, plugs, wires, a fresh ignition switch, and a finely tuned carburetor, this bike runs smoothly and reliably. It features a stripped-down, minimalist design with no gas gauge, no mileage gauge, and no speedometer, emphasizing raw riding experience. With its sleek lines, well-maintained engine, and a clean title in hand, this hardtail promises both powerful performance and head-turning presence on the open road. Perfect for riders who value craftsmanship and want a bike that speaks for itself. 2000 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Here's a stunning 2000 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 transformed into a 1920s board track racer style bobber by PB Choppers in 2010. Stripped down to its essence, this bike boasts all handmade tins, a minimalist design with no buttons or gauges, and a jockey shifter while keeping the standard clutch lever, pure riding nostalgia. Powered by a reliable Sportster 883 engine, it's tuned up with a new carb, fresh fluids, and ready to roar. This chopper is a head-turner everywhere it goes, offering a thrilling ride with a bold, retro aesthetic. It comes with extras like a battery tender, helmet, and motorcycle lift. The only imperfection is a small paint bubble on the fuel tank from an early leak, a battle scar that adds character to this one-of-a-kind ride. 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price, $8,000. Mileage, 7,100 miles. Location, Midland, Texas. Check out this 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, originally crafted by Thunder Mountain Motorcycles in Colorado as the Batitude model. This beast has been reframed with more rake and heavily customized, giving it a bold, aggressive stance. The bike retains its original Harley-Davidson engine, transmission, and forks, with just 7,100 miles on the clock. Every other component has been upgraded or customized, making it a head-turning ride with a deep, roaring exhaust note. Originally finished with a purple flame paint scheme, it's now evolved into a modern, sleek Fat Boy with plenty of new parts and flawless performance. Open to trades or best offer, this chopper is ready to thrill its next rider. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 1,000 miles. Location: Nelsonville, Ohio. Step back in time with this 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Ironhead, a classic old-school build that's been fully gone through and refreshed with all new components. Featuring a 1,000 cubic centimeters Ironhead engine, this bike is both kickstart and electric start ready, giving you the authentic vintage experience with modern convenience. The title matches the frame and engine, ensuring a smooth registration process. It rides beautifully, runs strong, and even has a rich, distinctive engine aroma. Extras include a matching sissy bar in the works, perfect for finishing your personal touch. Cash sale only, $4,500, no trades. This is a rare chance to own a true piece of Harley history that's as fun to ride as it is to admire. 2003 Harley-Davidson Softail. Price: $10,000. Mileage: 1,234 miles. Location: Carson City, Nevada. Feast your eyes on this 2003 Harley-Davidson Softail, a true custom masterpiece built to turn heads and thrill riders. Powered by a 107 cubic centimeters Patrick-built motor paired with a smooth RevTech transmission, this bike delivers a perfect balance of power and reliability. The Legend Air Ride suspension ensures a plush, controlled ride, while the vibrant custom orange paint and striking custom rims give it a unique, show-stopping presence. Every detail on this Softail has been thoughtfully crafted, making it not just a ride but a statement. Whether cruising city streets or hitting open highways, this Softail offers performance, style, and individuality in one sleek package. 2005 Big Dog Motorcycles Chopper. Price: $11,000. Mileage: 6,591 miles. Location: Fulton, Mississippi. Check out this 2005 Big Dog Chopper Ridgeback, a true American powerhouse with only 6,591 miles on the clock. Under the hood roars a 117 S&S engine, upgraded with a larger carburetor for that extra kick of performance. Cold air breather header pipes and LED underglow lighting add both style and function, giving it a modern edge while keeping that classic chopper attitude. Recently tuned up and garage kept, this bike combines reliability with striking presence, perfect for cruising or showing off at meets. Every detail, from the gleaming white paint to the performance upgrades, makes this Ridgeback a one-of-a-kind ride built for thrill and style. 2001 Custom S&S Chopper. Price: $4,000 OBO. Mileage: 8,023 miles. Location: Metairie, Louisiana. feast your eyes on this 2001 Custom S&S Chopper, a hand-assembled marvel built for riders who crave style and performance. Powered by an 88 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine with upgraded pistons and rods, this bike delivers smooth yet aggressive power with every twist of the throttle. With 8,023 miles on the odometer, it's been well loved but still has plenty of life to burn on the open road. Complete with an extra seat and handlebars, this chopper gives you versatility and flair, turning heads wherever you ride. Perfect for cruising, showing off, or simply enjoying the freedom only a Custom S&S can offer. 2000 Honda Shadow. Price, $4,800. Mileage, 23,000 miles. Location, Houston, Texas. This 2000 Honda Shadow is a true blend of Japanese reliability and full-blown custom artistry. Unlike your standard Shadow, this one has been fully rebuilt using premium components from TJ Brutal Customs, known for their high-quality and performance-focused parts. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bike commands attention. The deep purple paint shimmers with attitude, giving it a bold and unique personality that separates it from the rest of the pack. With only 23,000 miles on the clock, this Shadow still has plenty of life left to give, and its custom build ensures you're not just getting another cruiser, you're getting a bike that's been carefully transformed into a one-of-a-kind machine. The engine runs strong, delivering that smooth yet throaty Honda performance riders love, while the stripped-down, custom styling from TJ Brutal brings a raw, aggressive edge to the ride. Whether you're rolling through the city streets or cruising long highway stretches, this bike delivers comfort, reliability, and presence in equal measure.